How to purge your leach field. You'll need a pair of gloves, a hammer, and a standard screwdriver. Start at the control module by unscrewing the screws. Flip the switch to the off position. Uncap the raised pipe, reach way on down there, and pull up your filter. Rinse this off and then reinstall. Our leach field has two lines. We'll purge them both, one at a time. Locate the green lids, which for some reason don't fit tight. Unscrew the cap. Turn the system to hand for manual override. Oh, you don't want to see this first part. After a few minutes, the water will clear up. Gotta run all the way back to the control panel and turn it back off. We'll turn the pump back off, screw the cap back on, and then we'll do the same thing for the other side. Just switch on the pump, stand back, and let it flow. As you can see, our leach field is pretty clean and in tip-top shape. These green lines also confirm everything is going well. We'll just finish this up by installing the second cap and the cover. Then we'll go back to the control module and switch it all the way down to auto. Button everything up, and we're all done. With these few easy annual steps, you can rest assured that your leach field will be happy and healthy.